Hey, if you sit there all day long and you're restoring furniture, you're going to want to meet the scraper. Are you tired of having sawdust in your lungs, coughing at night and wondering when the heck you're actually going to be able to breathe like you're not 900? Well, guess what? The scraper might be something of interest to you, so I want to show you real quick. This is a tool that's been around forever. Basically, what it does is it has a flat surface on the bottom, a blade that has a burr on it, and then your ability to just pull. Okay, so that's what we do. So we set it in first by unscrewing these, loosening the tension, putting it on a surface, putting one piece of paper halfway in so it doesn't go over the gap, push it down, a little tippity tap, hand tightened here. All right, and then we're going to put a little tension on it. When we put the tension, it bends the blade so it sticks out the bottom, which allows the burr to get caught. So let's see what happens. So while you guys sit there and play, let me get some sandpaper. I'm already moving on to the next side. That leaves a really nice finish. Let's do it again. Imagine how fast you could do a tabletop. Super satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. My dad loves vintage tools, so I'm sure he'll write back. We're having so much fun creating Would Ya? Would you subscribe?